reviews. Today we're going to unbox something a little bit different on the channel. It's an RGB desk. This particular one is by Ewan. It features carbon fiber top desk, 5-degree of adjustment of incline, aluminum panels, also features wireless charging, and full spectrum RGB. I'm going to switch to kind of a time lapse to do this one a little bit different, because I'm going to unbox it and build it, and you'll see me again shortly.
Hey everybody, welcome back. And well, you can see a view of my little area here. Don't mind the kitchen; it's a work in progress. Um, so funny habit. Apparently, I never recorded the outro for this. Not much to say. You saw the unboxing. You saw it put together. And then time lapse. You even got to see the lighting in the dark. So it's overall, it's been a really awesome desk. There was a couple of issues with the version I received. Essentially, it didn't include the key charging and USB port. It looks like there was like a little Raman adapter that you would put in where the wire management hole is, and with that you would get those features. However, I don't have them. Not a big deal. EWIN's been awesome with this whole thing. They've been offered to replace that, and I couldn't ask for anything more. The desk is definitely top notch. A couple of things I would have liked to have seen, to be honest. That more wire management, especially underneath the desk. For the price point that we're getting, I think they would offer at least some kind of wire management, even if it was just some pre-attached Velcro straps that you could mount. Just to keep things clean and easy. Um, Nothing that can't be managed after the fact, but it would have been nice to see something like that, provided with. Um, Other than that, though, to be truthfully honest, the desk is great. I have no issues with it. It fits all my needs, and it's probably the nicest one I've ever had. I love the carbon fiber top. I wasn't sure how I'd like having the carbon fiber look, but phenomenal. Um, Overall, I don't mean this to be a review. Just kind of want to recap what was going on. And again, thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked what I did. The time lapse was something completely different than I'm used to doing. Uh, Added some different stuff to it, pointed out some funny things. Hopefully, y'all know what I like. But I'm always open to some things, So if you think I could do something better, tell me. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to hit that notification bell so you can hear some additional videos that are coming out. Um, what else? I guess just if you haven't already subscribed, definitely do so. I have more content coming out. In fact, we'll have about 3 more videos planned coming up in the next couple weeks to a month at most in total, and I'll keep them coming. I do have some other things in the works too as well, but you'll have to stay tuned to find out. All right, thank you, and see you again.